Hi guys, this is Matthew, and today is 13th of October 2025. Okay, so I'm going to wait. Okay, both are facing down right there. Here we're going to be trading the rise and fall. We're going to be scalping, so I'm going to wait for it to go a little bit more up, so I'm going to sell right there. So that's 3.09 there. I have to go again later. So we'll be trading the rise and fall, the bull market index, and stock is both down again, and we are on the DTrader interface. So 1.2, I should have waited for it to on the DTrader interface. So once you log into your trading account, you go to the bull market index. It's under the synthetic indices. Then you go to the trade type, go to rise and fall, click on it, go to indicator, go to trends, go to Aroon, click on Aroon. Then set the minutes to 7 minutes. Set it to 7 minutes. Enter the amount you want to stake. We're going to be trading the rise when both Aroon and this is facing down and is dropping down. You can see it has to be dropping down. Both has to be dropping down. So, and both green and red must be facing down. This must also be facing down. And you click on rise. So we're going to be closing the trade. Once we're in profit, we're not going to be waiting for the trade to end. You can see both are down here, but this one is still up, so you have to wait. Let's wait. Both are facing down, so the three must be facing down. They must be dropping down. You can see they're all down, but I want the top one to go down. Okay, you have to wait for it to go down more. It's going back up, so they're both facing down. Going back up, so the three of them have to face down. They have to be dropping down. So I just want to wait for it to go a little bit. You can see the top one is down, so we're waiting for the two Aroon. Okay, you can see right there. So we're in, so we have to wait. So once we're in green, $3-4, then we sell. Is that time count right here? Remember, we're trading the rise, we're not trading the fall. So we'll come back here. Let's quickly check the indicator right there. So there are some trades ongoing. Some are in profit, some are red. There's a buy sell indicator. Some are in profit. Here I'm going to close this 22. I'm still online, so all this will still hit profit right there. We're waiting for it to. So this is the buy sell indicator, and we're still giving it away for free. For those who want this indicator, all you have to do is to check the video description on YouTube. Check the video description on YouTube. All the infos are right here. You have to sign up for a free trading account with this link. So once you sign up, you have to subscribe to all these channels. Subscribe to all our 3 channels. we're watching this as well. Once we're in profit, we're going to sell. So we close here. Subscribe to our channels, then send an email to this email address with the last 3 digits of your account. Once you verify your sign up, we're going to send the indicator to you for free. We're going to send it to you for free. And for those who already have an account, you can order the indicator here for $5. And there are other infos there as well. For those who haven't purchased the Dust Keeper boat, there's a boat right here, and the Pip Stripper boat. For those who haven't purchased them, the links to order these bots will be in the video description. We're also giving away free stops when you order any of our bots. Let's quickly go back here again and check. Close right there. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels. Subscribe to all our channels. Subscribe to all our channels. So the infos here, the link to order the Pip Stripper bot is there. The link to order the Dust Keeper bot is there. We're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. And the link to sign up for a free trading account is here for those who don't have a trading account. And there are other links here as well, the links to subscribe to our channels and other infos. Check the video description. So our sell button will be off soon, but we're going to win this trade regardless. Okay, that's 2.37 right there. 2.37 right there. So if you have waited, well, you can see it's still going up. It's still going up, but you have to sell immediately once it hits green. It took a while, but you're gonna hit the green regardless. So let's place one more trade. Let's place one more. You can see it's down. Both are down. So here we're gonna close quickly because it's gonna go right up. It's not gonna stay that long. Just want a little more. Okay, so I had to go now. You can see we won that trade. I had to drop another strategy. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the videos. Thanks for watching.